Hello, how are you? I am back again with a little Coach bag unboxing. This is a pre-loved Coach bag. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be beautiful and I'm hoping it's going to go with my outfit. Also, I've got Mary with me here, so if the video is a little chaotic and there's a toddler, interrupting a little bit, you're just going to have to bear with me because I couldn't wait to do this unboxing. I'm just so excited. Hey Mary, what are you up to? Are you doing makeup?
Help.
Okay, I will help. So because I bought this bag pre-loved, it of course comes in a very basic envelope. So please bear in mind, if you're buying Coach brand new, it will not come packaged like this, but a pre-loved one, you have to take a few hits, and one of those will always be the shopping experience. So without further ado, let's open her up. I literally haven't seen it yet, so I'm excited and a little bit nervous. Oh my God, the colour is even better than I thought it was going to be. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Do you know what is funny? In the picture, I was like, I think it's leather, but it could also be a nylon. And I was like, a bit like, oh, help. I'll help you in a second. We're going to do makeup. Are we doing makeup? Are we doing makeup? Hello. Don't cry. We're going to do makeup together. Sorry, Mary's keen for me to do makeup with her, so I'm going to have to make this video really, really quick. But here is the bag. I absolutely love it. I did think there was a possibility it could be leather, and I was hoping for leather, but I did think it could be a nylon one, and it's not. It is leather. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my God, look at the lining. It's purple. Also, not only is the lining purple, but it is immaculate on the inside. Okay, I'll sit down now. What makeup would you like to do? You look very beautiful. You look like Rapunzel. Is this your makeup, Mary? Hey, Mary, do you want to have a look at my new bag? It's really pretty. So in terms of the condition, there is a little bit of wear to the corners, like literally there, nothing major. And a tiny little bit of wear to this corner too, but again, you literally would not see that, and it is nothing major. There's the odd little bit where the metallic has worn off on the main bit of the bag, but honestly, nothing major. Are you putting makeup on your feet? Oh no! On your feet, don't put makeup. That's NARS lipstick, baby. I used to have a great makeup bag, and now it is just a toddler plaything.
I know.
Oh, you look beautiful. There is the Coach Poppy here, and on the inside we can see that it was made in 2009. And then here is the size of the bag compared to me. Honestly, I just love this metallic finish. Like, it is like a little bit worn, but like nothing major. And honestly, a bit of a clean and a polish might kind of like make it look a little bit more revived. And I can wear it tucked under my shoulder like this, which I think looks really cute. Or of course I can have it as a handheld bag like this. I just think it's really cute, and I also really like the difference in like the texture. Like, it's got patent leather here, it's got metallic leather here. I love this double zip feature. And then yeah, I just think it looks really cute. Like, it's a really like nice, easy, everyday tote bag. And now I just need to tell you the price. So I bought this bag on Tilt, which is one of my favorite places to shop for pre-loved designer items. And it was an absolute bargain. I think, I need to check, but I think it was £25. The light is crazy today, so apologies. But yeah, I think this was £25. And I knew it had a little bit of wear and tear to it, but it's honestly nothing major. And because of the way it captures, okay, I'll help. The way it captures on camera, I was a little bit like, oh, I wonder if it's nylon. And then yeah, it is not, it's leather, and it's really nice and soft leather. I just think it's a really cool bag. I think it's very like, I think it's very me, and I think I'll wear it a lot. And I just think it's really, okay, I'm gonna go do makeup. Anyway, that's my slightly chaotic unboxing. Apologies, but I hope you like it. And yeah, I'm off to do my makeup with Mary. Oh, thank you. Are we doing our makeup? You look beautiful. Beautiful. Look how good you look. That's beautiful. Oh, you've got such good technique. Okay, this is what we're doing with our afternoon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Mary, can you say bye-bye? No, she's busy.